everyone. Now for our next drawing, we'll start off by drawing these lines. Now add ears to it, add eyes to it, and then afterwards a little smile. Add a neck to it, and underneath it continue on and draw the body. Afterwards, add the rest of the shirt at the head, and then afterwards from either side peeking out, draw on the braids. After you're done with this, add the pink cheeks for both of them. Now draw the rest of the body and then color it in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this downward facing V. Add the rest of the face, the eyes, and then the eyelashes. Add a little smile to it and then draw the rest of the body. Underneath it, add the markings for where the hands come and where the hands are holding this book. Add a V shape for the outfit and then draw on the hair behind the face as such. Continue on and then draw flowers at the base of it all. Next, we'll start off by drawing these fringes, and then afterwards add ears on either side and then the rest of the face. Add the eyes and then afterwards a cute little smile to it. Draw on the hair at the top, and then once you're done with this, add the neck and then the rest of the outfit underneath it. After you're done with the first part of it, then draw the details of the shirt and color it in. Start off by drawing these lines and then afterwards add ears to this figure. Now, add eyes to it as well, a little smiling mouth, and then afterwards draw the outfit underneath it. Now continue on with it and then draw the base of it as well, and then make it look like there's this little scarf. Draw on the hair behind it, and then once you're done with all of this, add a little bow at the top and color all of this in. Start off by drawing this K, and then afterwards join the top and the bottom, fill this in. After you're done with this, add a little face to it in the front. Now make an arm peek out from this outfit as well. This will be like a raincoat. Now put the other arm inside the pocket sleeve. Now after this, add the feet underneath it along with the little boots, add rain coming out and then leaves as well. Start off by drawing the scribble and then afterwards make two circular shapes out of it. Add ears on either side of it, add the rest of the face, add scribbles on either side as well. This will be curly head ponytails. Add the eyes to it and then a little nose and a mouth as well, and then on either side of it draw the little pigtails. Now afterwards draw the outfit underneath it, and then once you're done with this, color all of this in the desired colors. Next, we'll start off by drawing these slightly curved lines on either side, and then afterwards connect the top as such. As you're connecting the top, add the face to it, add the eyes, the ears, and then a cute little smiling mouth as well. Add the neck and then underneath it continue on and then draw the rest of the outfit. After you're done with this, add this little scarf up front as well. After you've added the details to it, then you may color it in. Start off by drawing these scribbles on either side, and then afterwards add the ears and then the rest of the face to it. After this, add the eyes to it, a little nose and a mouth accordingly. Now add the pigtails on either side by adding these circles. Afterwards, draw the rest of the outfit underneath it. Next, we'll start off by drawing these lines. Afterwards, add ears on either side of it. Now continue on and then draw the face. Add eyes to it and then a little smile to it as well. Add a neck underneath it and then the rest of the outfit and the body. Draw the hair at the top as well. Once you are done with this, then you may also color it in. You may add some more details if you please to do so. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape. We've added the eyes and then the smile, the head. Instead of doing this, however, you can draw these slightly curved lines on either side, about 6 of them, and then afterwards add the detailing to the head, add a face to it and then ears on either side, add these little eyes and mouth, and then add the rest of the body as such. Continue on and then draw the rest of the body and then make the markings underneath. Thank you for watching.